Setting up for an exhibition booth.
Or looking for a stunning menu display for your cafe, restaurant, or hotel. Maybe an eye-catching pop-up banner for your small business. Explore a wide range of premium display solutions. Your search for branding displays ends here. Backdropsource has got you covered. Customize sizes to fit your space or choose standard options. Just 4 steps to make your brand shine. Design your graphics. Upload your own artwork or select from 10K plus designs. Place your order in no time. And we deliver it straight to your doorstep with free shipping included. If you are an exhibitor, business owner, photographer, or any professional, our support team is always here to help. Bring your brand to life with display solution that wows the crowd, only with Backdropsource.